It's All You Can Vegas. Hey everybody, it's Derek and I'm at Bardot Brasserie at the Aria Casino in Las Vegas. Bardot Brasserie, it is French. As you can see, they've got foie gras, escargots, and octopus a la Basquiat, and most importantly, a charcuterie board. And this place is a Mina restaurant, one of my favorite chefs. I'm hoping that this charcuterie board is going to be pretty amazing. They even have a beef Wellington, $169. It's for two. And we've already got ourselves some fresh warm bread with butter. That's a crusty bread. And this is their signature cocktail. It's called And God Created Woman. It's got gin, burr, lemon, Saint Germain, and Australian bitters. And it's got a big B on it. And this is the charcuterie board. There is so much going on here. Even right back here, I don't know if you can see, it's the house pate. And here's some jambon de Veillon. And this is French rosette salami. The pork raclette. Let's see how this tastes. Still have this ham here. Ooh, look at this. Like a little ham sandwich. Well, I decided to get the Loup de Mer Provençal as my entree, and as you can see, it's a fish. And there are fingerling potatoes under there, all the shredded potatoes on top, and a tapenade verte. And this is the gnocchi parisienne and French winter truffle. I just got a whiff of these truffles. This truffle plate is not for me, for my dining companion, but these truffles, I don't do truffles. Let's just leave it at that. I'm gonna put this plate across from me here and get my entree, the Loup de Mer. Let's dig in. Look at that flaky fish. Mediterranean sea bass. So soft and delicate, and the fennel, an amazing aroma. Better than truffles. It wouldn't be a French restaurant without desserts, and here are the desserts at Bardot. They've got a chocolate macaron, creme brulee, apple tart, cheesecake millefeuille, and a baked Alaska, or you can even get cheese. Ooh.
So our trio desserts here. Get this big flame going. So I am gonna light up this cognac, or I mean rum, and we're gonna bake that meringue on top. There we go. And I've got a little bit of passion fruit and pineapple syrup here. Take that out. Ooh, that's a big flame. There we go. Passion tropical baked Alaska. Bon appetit.
Thank you.
Very much.
Yeah. Ooh. Just like the rum flavor, definitely a pineapple flavor, and ice cream. This is the Valrhona chocolate macaron, the cheesecake mille-feuille, and the espresso creme brulee. Espresso creme brulee, got some espresso beans on it. That's good. That's an intense coffee flavor. Cheesecake mille-feuille. A lot of layers here. I think it's gonna fall apart when I bite into it. Sweet and creamy, and didn't fall apart. And look at this big macaron. Chocolate. That's chewy and chocolatey. Everything here at Bardot Brasserie by Michael Mina is amazing, and the prices are kind of amazing too. Everything you saw in this video, well, the total is just over $200, but I would say that's worth it. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment, let me know what you think about Bardot Brasserie and Aria. And be sure to subscribe for more, because there's always more to eat when it's all you can Vegas.